Good morning, everyone. I would like to start by mentioning two names, Avinatan Or and Sasha Troponov, which are hostages in Gaza. I picked these two names because both of them, among most of the participants in this conference, are members in the Israeli high-tech industry. Avinatan worked for NVIDIA and Sasha for Amazon. Both of them graduated in Ben-Gurion University as electrical engineer and kidnapped on October 7th, and we pray for their return together with all the other hostages. I would like to thank Tel Aviv University for hosting this important conference and showcasing the significance of the Israeli Technological Hub. The numerous variety of partners and sponsors of this conference are a testimony for that, and I would like to thank all of them as well. In the past few weeks, the Israel Innovation Authority released its annual report evaluating the state of Israel's high-tech sector. The report shows that despite of numerous challenges over the past year, the sector has demonstrated growth with several macroeconomic indicators trending upwards. Despite these year's challenges, which having included political waves and fell out from ongoing war, several indicators have shown continued growth in the high-tech sector. Employment in the sector rose by 2.6%. Notably, the high-tech sector continues to the Israel GDP reach nearly 20% in 2023, while its share of the Israeli export stood at 53%. However, the report also highlights a decline in some indexes related to key business activities, reflecting underlying concern of the sector. Having said that, it is important for me to emphasize that the State of Israel, through the authority, completely believes in the Israeli high-tech sector. We cope with the last year's geopolitical situation by launching several investment plans in the past year. First, the fast-track channel for companies with short runway exceeding 400 million shekels. Second, startup fund in deep tech, which investing volume of around 500 million shekels. The Yozma Fund 2.0, totally around 680 million shekels, expected to leverage around 2 billion shekels from Israeli institutional funds. And finally, Venture Creation Incubator Program was updated with a sum of approximately 150 million shekels. Furthermore, hopefully in the upcoming weeks, we will present the ministerial level a multi-year governmental investment plan to create certainty and stability in the sector. In the past decade, and especially in the recent few years, the world is undergoing AI revolution. Israel holds a distinguished position and consistently ranks in the world 10 tops. We are ranking 7th in the global AI index and 2nd in the per capita index. The Israeli AI sector is based on two fundamental strengths: the ability to turn academic knowledge into commercial application of products, and our ability to combine knowledge from professionals from different content worlds to solve difficult challenges. There are over 2,200 Israeli AI-based companies in healthcare, food, energy, agriculture, transportation, manufacture, defense, construction, and more. In September 2020, Israel has declared AI as a national priority field, and in December that year, we launched the AI National Program. The program is a collaborative, holistic, and cross-ministerial effort for securing Israeli long-term leadership in AI. By creating a long-term strategy providing massive investment for AI infrastructure and promoting an AI-supportive environment, we aim to ensure Israel's leading position as an AI powerhouse. We are unlocking in vast potential benefits for both economy and society as a whole. We are continuously trying to improve the aim to be at the front for. In the alignment with Orna Berry Advisory Committee, we are implementing 3 significant initiatives. First, Next Silicon, a startup company, has been selected through our call for proposal to establish an AI and HPC R&D lab focus on advanced hardware technology and low-layer software. Secondly, we are about to open call to establish infrastructure specifically designed to accelerate AI research with a strong emphasis on training large model. And our commitment extends to enhancing research infrastructure in the field of scientific computation. In closing, there is much more to be done. There is a lot of challenges down the road. But make no mistake, the Israeli innovation sector, its thinking out of box spirit, it's here to stay. And if there is one thing I would like to remember from my speech, is the following: Israeli high-tech delivers no matter what. Thank you very much.